What I don't want you to do, what doesn't scale, is have to tell everybody in logistics about the work that you guys are also doing in cybersecurity, right? Like that should be a totally different conversation. Just as with, to bring it down to like a B2C level with Derek, if I'm a single 20-year-old dude that did varsity wrestling in high school, I don't need to hear about the kids' class. And if I'm a parent with two twin boys that are beating the tar out of each other, both in class and at home, I don't need to hear about how we got a lot of 20-year-old varsity wrestlers that are, you know, continuing their love of grappling. Like he can be an expert in all of those silos, kids programs, adult executive program, young, like he can curate his conversation based on the audience that he's talking to.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.